Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine vinegar mother. A vinegar mother is a fascinating culture, essentially a cellulose mass filled with acetic acid bacteria. This amazing organism is responsible for transforming alcohol into acetic acid, which is the key component of vinegar. You can easily cultivate your own mother at home, starting with just a bit of unpasteurized vinegar. It's a simple and rewarding process. To begin, you'll need a few basic items. First, acquire some unpasteurized wine vinegar, which contains the live bacteria necessary for a mother. Next, choose a bottle of wine. Any red or white wine will work. You'll also need a clean, wide-mouthed glass jar, ideally a 1-gallon size. Finally, grab some cheesecloth and a rubber band to cover the jar. Now let's get started. Pour 1 part unpasteurized vinegar into your jar, then add 3 parts of your chosen wine. It's important that the wine has an alcohol content of at least 5% for the process to work effectively. Gently stir the mixture, then cover the jar with the cheesecloth, securing it with the rubber band. Place the jar in a dark, warm spot, ideally around 75 degrees Fahrenheit. You should see a thin, gelatinous film, your new vinegar mother, begin to form on the surface within 2 to 4 weeks. This is a sign of success. Once your mother is established, you can feed it new wine every few weeks to keep it active and producing vinegar. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade wine vinegar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.